Whenever I'm in love, I crave for anything peanuts, and today I am so much in love. So let's prepare this delicious, versatile peanut butter stew. Welcome and Akwaba if today is the first time, and to my returning subscribers, respectively. My name is Yamikash. So to begin with, we need to steam our chicken, and in the blender I have some onion, ginger, garlic, anise seed, some water, and then blend it. Now let's push it aside, and in this pan I've already washed my chicken. So I'm going to add the blended ingredients to it, add some salt to it and some seasoning, give it a good stir, cover and transfer it to the fire. So in that same blender, I'm going to add some peanut butter to it, add some tomatoes, water, and then blend it into a nice smooth consistency. So I'm done blending it, and in another pan I'll add the peanut butter to it, rinse the blender, give it a very good stir, and then transfer it to the fire. So I'm going to cook this till oil starts to surface on top of it. So yummies, it's been about 15 minutes now. I'll give the chicken a very quick stir and then add in some vegetables. So in goes an onion, tomato, some peppers according to how you want it, and then some carrots. Now I'll cover this for about 10 minutes. So here is the peanut butter. It's almost cooked now. So whenever it is okay, I'll just off the fire and allow it to cool down completely. So back to the chicken, the vegetables are almost okay. I am going to take everything out and put them in a blender, add a little amount of water to it, and then blend it nicely. So I'm done blending the vegetables. I'll pour it in and then give it a very good stir. So time to add the peanut butter. I'll add everything to it, give it a stir, rinse the pan and add the water to it. Welcome in Akwaba Yummy. If today is the first time here, kindly hit the subscribe button. Make sure you turn on the notification bell. And also, I would like to hear your thoughts about this recipe down in the comment section. So don't forget to leave me a comment and also share it out. So because we are making peanut butter stew and not peanut butter soup, please be mindful of the amount of water you add to your stew. And also, The reason why I call this versatile peanut butter recipe is because at a point you might feel like eating fufu, but the energy to, get up, go to the kitchen, prepare yourself peanut butter soup, it's not there. So you just dilute the stew and then you go ahead and prepare your fufu. Simple. German will say ganz einfach. You understand? So I prefer this recipe to the ones that they add oil to it, because with that one it's very limited, but with this recipe is unlimited. So the stew at this point is almost, it's like 98% done, but I would like to add in some spinach to it, which is totally optional, and then I will cover it for about 5 minutes on a medium heat for it to simmer gently. So while the peanut butter stew is simmering gently, then you start preparing your rice to enjoy it with this. And I bet you it tasted so good. Despite the fact that we made it just simple, no extra spices whatsoever. It's just so easy but very delicious. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you around next time. Till then, always remember to do everything in love, and whenever you think food, think yummy cash. Cheers.